Today's video, we're taking a look at the 2021 Shelby GT500 convertible. We've also got photos of the Ford Mustang GT 2021 that has a different front end possibly. We're going to check that out. Also, we have 1968 Shelby GT500 convertible. But this is the very first one that rolled off the assembly line. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the 1967 Shelby GT500. This is over here on Wikipedia. This is the first model built in the Shelby GT500 range. So it was based on a 1967 Mustang, and it came equipped with a 427 cubic inch engine, which is a 7-liter. It's a big engine. So the current GT500 has a 5.2 that's supercharged. This had a 7-liter naturally aspirated. So it was actually an aluminum intake manifold and two 600s. So two 4-barrel 600 CFM Holley carburetors. So this was producing 355 horsepower, which sounds like a joke because the EcoBoost almost makes that much horsepower currently. It does not have the amount of torque that this big block naturally aspirated V8 did, but at the time in 1967, can you imagine how much torque, how fast and how much torque this felt like? So this is what it was in 1967. This is where the GT500 came from. 2,048 were produced in 1967, and so I just wanted to give you a little background story. If you don't already know, this is kind of where this is where it did begin. Ford eventually took over the name and produced them under the Ford nameplate, and that's what we're doing now. Is the current GT500 is not built by Shelby; it's built by Ford, obviously. And you can go check out the rest of the story. But what was interesting is I was looking up the Shelby GT500. I found this cool car. This is a 1968 Shelby GT500 convertible, and it actually looks like it was the first. So it says the first Shelby GT500 convertible off the line, finished in September of 1967. Engineer developed vehicle from September 67 to 70. Company issued car to Ray Geddes of Ford liaison to work with engineering in Michigan. One of 402 convertibles built in 1968. So it's one of 402. One of 4 cars assigned to Shelby. Anyways, 1 in 9. They keep on going. They keep listing the one out of this. Sunlit gold exterior. And to be honest, I'm not super big on old cars and stuff, but this is dope. This is super legit. Look at this paint. This is in style now. This would currently be super in style right now. These steel wheels, well, in Southern California anyways, because everything out here, I think everything everywhere right now is kind of vintage, but this would definitely fly right now. This is super sick. So GT500 badging, the snake, the steel looking wheels, the black. I really like this gold. I don't know why nothing is getting painted this color currently. That doesn't look that good, but in this light with all that metallic, looks super slick, super aggressive. This car actually looks really lightweight, so it's kind of the opposite of the current GT500, which is the biggest and heaviest. And I'm assuming this was heavy for the day. The GT350 was lighter, but nonetheless, let's look at the engine. There's the underbody. This had the big, look how small the exhaust off the headers is. Currently, right off the headers on modern cars, on the GT500, I don't know, it's probably 2.5 or 3 inch right off the header. These are definitely not 3 inch primaries. So I just wanted to show you a little background. This was one of the first, it says it's the first Shelby GT500 produced. So here it is, and it is selling for, the estimate 300 to 350. Let's see if there's any other little tidbits that we can get out of this. I think it's just background history. They're probably just trying to list the car to sell it. So this is on the homepage over here at Mustang 6G. So let's look at the 2021 Shelby GT500 spy photos, okay? So also, this is a kind of a cool article. Someone ran the cannonball run in a rented convertible, in a rented Mustang GT, and it did really well. So here is the convertible 2021 Shelby GT500. And let's check out the photos inside the forums. If you guys are Mustang enthusiasts, you should check out the forums more frequently. They pop up some stuff. So, pretty cool. Unfortunately, these are extremely blurry photos. But It looks like it's a full-on legitimate GT500. They said that it does have Detroit tags on it. As you can see, it's got the front bumper. The wheels are not like the track wheels. Obviously, I don't know if they'll even offer a track package with the convertible. I'm pretty sure they do on the Camaro, so I don't see why they wouldn't on the convertible, except for it's a convertible. So if you're trying to run some really quick times, it's a bit dangerous, and I don't know if it's the car that you want to choose. Regardless, it looks like everything's here: the wheels, the tires, the hood, the bumper. Let's look at the other photos, but you can kind of get an idea. This is the clearest photo. So it was over at Matt Moran's. If you zoom in, I don't know how they came to the conclusion that those were Michigan tags, because if I look, I can't tell that those are Michigan tags, but we're just going to take someone's word for it that this isn't just a regular Mustang GT, that someone slapped a body kit, and that Ford is actually planning on producing a 2021 Ford Mustang GT Shelby GT500 convertible. Okay, so there's the photos, and that's all we got on that. That's all we know right now currently. So let's look at the other. So it looks like we've got some photos of a Mustang GT, and we're trying to kind of figure out if this is going to be a new front bumper, if this is the Euro spec, or what's going on here. So let's just go into the forums and check it out. Is this the 2021 with an updated front bumper? So these are over at Ford Authority. These photos are from. This could be a prototype for facelift to 2021. I don't know, guys. I just know it looks like it has these. It's hard to tell. Does it have the 18 splitter or not? And you know what I'm talking about. These bumpers right here. It's hard to tell, but these are the photos that we have. So these are obviously the Performance Package 1 wheels. I believe that's the Euro spec wheels also. This is pretty much like the car that I have with the Performance Package. So, you know, some people were saying hopefully that we're gonna get this. It is this splitter, and they're gonna take the Mach 1 bumper because it looks so darn good. Contrary to what everyone else says, I think it looks amazing. I think that's better than the 15 bumper, and I think that's better than the 18 bumper. Let me know what you think in the comments, but I think the Mach 1 bumper is a heck of a lot better than this, and better than this. I kind of like the 15 bumper over the 18, although the 18's grown on me, so both of them look, you know, both of them are fine. They're fine. But this looks significantly better than both of them, in my opinion. So hopefully they realize that's the bumper that looks the best, and let's put it on the 2021. Other than that, that's all we currently know. But if you want to jump in on the conversation, comment down below. Let me know what you think. So that's it. This cool old 68 GT500, and there's some background story on that, the history of GT500. That's the 2021. Possibly, hopefully, it gets the Mach 1 bumper. And hopefully we get a 2021 Shelby GT500 convertible. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, I will keep you updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news, especially the GT500, the 2021 Mustang GT that's coming out, also the Ford Bronco. So hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on, support the channel with the links below. I will catch you in the next video.